It feels really good. I'm quite proud of myself, and but I'm also really nervous because I don't know what to expect. Because I've never gone to the Euros or the World before, so.
Akaya and Sadie secured their spot in the team too. Evelyn managed both longboarding and shortboarding qualifications.
I'm really happy I qualified for the under-18 women's longboard and also for the under-18 women's shortboard.
But does that mean twice as much fun or twice as much pressure?
Points-wise, me and Oscar are joint first. I think Connor is third and Dara fourth, so it's still very open.
Tom and Oscar are through, so only one spot left. Dara's been solid, but he hasn't had an event win yet.
I don't know, I'm just going to go out and try to find a couple of waves with my heat. Hope it goes alright, I guess.
Connor's results have been up and down so far this season.
Hopefully I'll do well and secure my spot that isn't secured yet at all, but we're going to try and secure it.
This is shaping up to be one of the biggest battles of the day. Who finishes best by the end of today goes to Euros. The other goes home.
I actually do remember my first wave. It was my first instructor, Fran. He pushed me into it and I never forget it, like that feeling of popping up and the kind of rush you get. And honestly, I think it's just, that's the start of the addiction. Super excited for the Euros. Like, if I qualify, it's going to be a lot of fun. I've been there before and it's such an experience, like getting to surf with all those people and get to meet all the different countries.
I think I learned one of the main things you have to do is just be confident with yourself. Like, if you start getting in your own head, you're not really it's not gonna help. I'm definitely in a tricky position, like, so pressure's on, but I'm definitely excited, you know.
One spot left. 2 lads who deserve it. That's the cruel bit.
They're all surfing really well. Yeah, it's very exciting.
Dara in yellow, Connor in blue. Someone's dreams end here.
Okay, the nervous dancing's back. It's just such a way to channel the nervous energy, isn't it? Moving. Yeah. Triangle.
Sudden death. No second chances. Just surf better or go home.
Pretty intense heat, under 18 final. It's basically between Connor and Dara, who is going to Euro, and Connor knew he has to end up before Dara.
Oh, okay.
Got this big wave at Connor.
Land it. Okay. You have to finish it. Oh, he claimed it.
And Connor, I'm delighted for him.
Yeah. Give me a hug, Josh. Come on. Oh, Connor did it.
I just got first there in under 18s. Pretty stoked. Needed the result to get in the team. knew I could do it from the first tee yesterday, and I ended up doing it, so pretty happy.
I want to thank you all for coming for 2 days. It's a long stand, and we'll be in touch during the week to those who have qualified for the Eurosurf in Portugal, okay? And we'll let you know officially via email.
So that's it. We've got our team. But this is just the beginning. Training, preparation, getting ready to represent Ireland. Now the real work starts.